Oho! Hanachi ni karagiwi. Today we are going to be making a stool out of 4 pieces of pine. Your kits are going to have a screwdriver, screws, and your 4 pieces. Now this is just a crude step stool, and it's pretty simple to make. I got arrows on where you're gonna assemble it because I pre-drilled all the holes, so you can see that you just line up the arrows, put that there, and make sure that the pre-drilled holes, the countersunk holes, are on the outside, because if you're on the inside, your screws aren't going to go all the way in. So you just keep them on the outside. These are labeled as well. So this one's the left one, so you're going to put that on the left side. This one's the right one, you're going to put it on the right side. So you're going to take your screws. I got a couple extra in case you drop one and lose it, or one's defective, because sometimes they're not drilled all the way. And what I like to do is I like to put the screw in, and make it so it's just about popping out. That way you can just line it up in the hole and it'll follow its way in. All right. Now, for time's sake, I'm going to cheat and I'm going to use a drill. And there's one side assembled. I'm going to start the screws on this side. Now I apologize for the wood, because some of the wood, I got it from Menards, and some are really bowed, but I made them work. But it should be fine. Now you want to get these snug, but not too tight, because you don't want to split the wood here. Now you're gonna see the arrow, have that facing towards you, and then look at this arrow. You're gonna have it like this. So if it was upside down, you can see that it lines right up. But we're going to have it like this. We're going to start all these screws. So there's just a little bit out. Just do it over again, where you just make just the tip hang out a little bit, and then we'll line it up, and then we'll finish it off. So now that we're all in, the screws are all in the appropriate areas, you're just going to screw them down. Alright, and now you have a nice little step stool where you can reach up, get stuff that's high off the ground. Alright, thanks for watching.